have your response.
So you're doing kind of nice for yourself then.
I would say I'm trying my thing.
We have 5 million. Alright, welcome on YouTubers. Welcome to another DBS exclusive. And so I'm keeping up the whole entire vibe, you know, talking to different influencers in Jamaica. And so next up we have a brother who recently, I feel like I went for with him a while ago.
Yeah.
Anyway, who recently got 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. That's RazaBlade Tv. RazaBlade, long time, we need to go meet you from long time. Wappy kill fill up.
From before fill up kill Wappy.
I mean, all you're doing, all you're feeling like, you know, 100,000 subscribers, you're not official. You're not just a regular YouTuber now, you are YouTuber.
I'm a YouTuber, like the man is a YouTuber. I got the 100,000 now, I'm like verified in that, you know?
Yeah, man, you're official now.
Stop the boy. Why?
Jordy Coat. Oh, Jesus.
RazaBlade TV. Entertainment in 3D.
What's up, everybody? You don't know your boy RazaBlade, and today I'm back with a new video. Official.
So, how you celebrated?
You know, alright, we can share like that personal side.
Oh, come on, you have a woman, so I wonder if you get that.
No, not like that.
Congratulatory on bosoms?
No, not like that.
Okay.
Me as a person, to be honest, when it comes to celebrating my personal achievements, they really lame with it.
Oh yeah, stay like me.
Any one of my friends can tell her, like, if me, like when we reach 50,000, we be like, oh, true, 50,000. Everybody be like, yo, you're the 50,000. And me be like, alright, thank you, glad the 50,000. More.
Yeah.
And just me that, like, me ready, more.
Yeah.
So when we reach, me be like, yo, and them did there, and me I say, oh, 100, you know, like, alright then, bam, the video for edit for the 100. Yeah. And them will be like, yo, you reach, and me say, yeah, and everybody go, yo, Raza, and I'm happy, but it's like, I don't know, probably how them grow me.
I think we can relate the same some of the same because when I dip on YouTube too, but not even know say there was something called a play button forget. So I do my videos them and I say something that about you know get the play button away. I'm saying you know you have to do the same comment over and over. So same time now I look, I'm going at them have some settings somewhere you go and some message something. Yeah. I'm see them say rewards. And then same time I look now, you know people them send about a good year before that. So, I never know. So them just send me the message a good year before that I never know. I never know.
Best believe me not gonna late to find out that because more have to know when mine are for. Because I've been waiting. I've been waiting.
But that's a good thing because you didn't know so there's something for collect me never know.
I'm glad for people like you who can sit down and watch and be like, okay, I know the steps of the take.
How long have you been doing YouTube?
About, I would say 3 to 4 years.
Oh, so pretty quickly.
Quicker than it? Oh no, you look on YouTube be a while.
No, because
you look at that quick though, me up on YouTube years.
No, me up on YouTube one good while from Bravest. Did I like long time, but all the good thing them time when you don't have nobody else to do it. You start it and you stop. Because when you have to people stuff like comment and subscribe and I only like 4 people alone have YouTube channel at the time, so you know I'm the audience. But your channel is like growing pretty fast. You might not see it as that, but like in Jamaica for like, you know, a 4 year period, yeah.
Everybody tell me say grow fast, but it's like, you don't know, me probably not see it, but I'm grateful. If people outside see it, me I say, okay, that.
What is the process being like, you know, like getting your content together? Like where does your brain go when you say, okay, this is my next video?
Alright, first thing first, with me, I learn say, I have good writing skills. I learn say, every idea I get, I never really remember it. Same time. As I get that idea, first thing, my phone, notepad.
Wow.
That's if I bought me too and funny, notepad.
Yeah.
You see me? So any little thing, like me just have day, me just have wash, me just have something, and me just be like, you know that wicked though? Notepad. Yeah. If me like me on the street and somebody say, yo, you know that wicked if somebody do that, and me somebody say, more to do that, me say, me that. Because that side there, me say, you know what, work. I have to write down, I have to meditate on, I have to think into the result first because that's how I write stories. The think about the ending and write to an ending.
Were you that type of person like in a school you always like love like writing or just like you know engaging
like writing
people?
with me I'm the best subject here that. Best subject here that.
You know say all along with say you know you're the video and say the person seem kinda like you and so the same so instead that now I see him so for everything say all this when we start up a countdown we was scripted down to the point where if I laugh when I put in like box cover, turn to the left and laugh.
When we just start using script and then we start, you know
after a while,
sometimes I want like give them spontaneously. So but with me, I tell all of my friends, it's good to write. You don't want to go in like you always have to have a plan B, you have to have backup, you have to be ready. True. You don't have to be prepared for me. You don't want to go out there and then shoot. push come to shove something for your mind, you can't remember nothing. You have to freeze in front of your camera, waste people time, waste your time. I mean, I have time.
Cause that mistake, as creators, we kind of like the idea, say, yo, just get up and we just feel something now, but you have to think and say, yo, if you have your friend them, and you not fully sure what you do, your friend them come to the set now, them last, and say, like, yeah man, just scream, just run up on them, like, them a try,
understand that. So it's like, me know, so when the script, right, if you have an idea,
if you kind of give them, yeah.
so if you don't have the script word for it, you can be like, yo, this is how more at the beginning, this is at the middle part, this is at the end, so you have to write. If you want to be the best at what you do, you have to be like, be ready to take the steps, that's what I believe.
Alright, so I kind of realize so there's a side of thought, I'm really get into your actual name, which is really bad.
Get into
outside of RazaBlade, like, what's the actual name?
My correct name is Jason. I wish they give me a different name though, like a hot boy name like Tyrone.
Yeah, Jason have a regular community name.
Yeah, we just have Jason. Like everybody gets something when we get Jason.
Yeah, a regular Jason.
Nah, because the mommy and daddy. We just did one. One different.
What kind of name do you see yourself having? Like if not Jason, what do you think
any other name than the old Bible name, them like Ezekiel and them.
Oh yeah,
that's too far. But we just never want Jason. And my father named Justin and people used to call him Jason. So me just say.
But you seem like when you just have one of them coming to name like a Damien. Or
boy, even Damien would have win over Jason because when me tell people some name Jason, oh yeah, come on.
Yeah.
Come on, so I just make what me do stand out there, man. My name really in our kitchen I go be like Escobar.
Yeah, but don't want to name no, but that's the way you're gonna name for pick them can know that you're a star.
No, me, I go do that.
You call all your daughter like a fridge top.
Yeah man,
like all them some out of the blue.
Kitchen can love in this up.
You know say if I have children I can name them like, you know, Straw. Black,
Cloud,
Neesberry. Same the whole of them does
man. They must say, but I can alone.
And the prettiest one I have named Holly, just Hollyberry.
Hollyberry.
Yeah, my auntie man.
Are you auntie?
Yeah, my auntie. That's what I used to do. That's the pure style.
Can you meet her?
We have to see her go, because more while, we just stay on WhatsApp for a while ago and tell her say I do one video, because she never FaceTime me, but through, when they on live. Because she live on live, you know, she never really want to do all, you understand all the shit.
So after we can talk?
After, yeah man, we don't have to.
Hollyberry, that's still in the song. You know you go.
What kind of person were you like in high school?
Alright, with me though, in general, I'm always a joke around. That just never changed.
So the personality, it did it from a long time?
It did a long time. I always a reason people, I love have discussions with people. I just love have a vibe. So I always a joke around. But kind of more serious and I like no, I just not care, I just joke around with everything.
Yeah.
And my mom always say, yo, you literally don't want to take nothing in life serious. And I just say, I just something free.
Yeah.
So
you seem extremely humble and just like you just roll the punches. If somebody say yeah, you just say alright. If somebody say nay, you know.
Learn say in a life, you can't be too much, you can't be too little. You know, you can't be too extra sometimes. With me, maybe extra in my videos because of me. You see, but it's like how my parents grew me, I even have a certain control with certain stuff. I learn to be humble. I can't get the most milk, I'm slim, so I need more.
Yeah.
You see, so I just that. So with me, I can't say me humble. Can't say me humble. You know?
Alright, so walk us through the time when you say like, okay, I'm going to do YouTube. What is the first video, the first moment when you say, yo, I'm gonna try the thing here?
It all started with, and that's the story. Alright, so from a smaller, I always say I either be a doctor or actor. You know, see me on a white top as a doctor.
I love that comment. Just say same thing, but this is one done
no, for real, that me want to come and we did trust me like from a little
I did comment too, you know, and I learn little things and yeah.
I remember that I pregnant with the last one. I remember having a hanger around my neck and putting it upon her belly and I said, Mummy, me a test it. So I didn't know so that tonight, but you know, see me in a white vest now.
Yeah.
But it's like, I always I see movies and I always rate Will Smith.
Yeah.
I say, yo, I say, Daddy.
Yo, Will Smith, I'm like literally the person I look up to, you know, like
Daddy, I say to my father, Daddy, if you could exchange with Will Smith about a big still, but I just run him joke to my father. My father knows I rate Will Smith.
Anything Will Smith do, icon, yeah.
Sometimes I say, Daddy, me can't, like, you know, when you have a role model, it's like, it's not even make you be like, want to be like him, want to be better than Will.
Yeah.
That you have to tell yourself. So, as I say, yo,
jump out and plane too.
I go do all type of stuff. And growing up, I say, alright then, I start understand, say, Jamaica is not a real place. In a sense, so certain stuff you don't really see out here. I say, shoot, then how me go be like Will Smith and nobody out there get to go. Like, you know, Broadway, TV,
yeah.
What me go do?
Music and everything, just
I'm just a little country boy and then like my mom, father separate, long bag of story this about.
Where from?
I'm originally from Smithfield.
Oh, Smithfield, where is that?
Oh, we up in Clarendon.
Oh, part of Clarendon, okay.
Yeah, part of Clarendon. Make it sound like
YouTubers, it's nice to know that, you know, the signals and the data plans and the Wi-Fi is, you know, go beyond Kingston.
Yeah, we all have that struggle. We all have that struggle. But we moved to Mineralites and that was the first time experiencing Wi-Fi, to be honest. So we never know about Wi-Fi till we reached Mineralites. And then we have some friends who used to always joke around and the first time Like, me have a friend who used to always on Instagram. First time knowing about Instagram. I say, this man always take picture and post them. One day, me on him phone and I see him scroll past a video. Stop it. I say, Instagram have video? I sit down and watch it and I say, it's kind of funny, but feel look at this better. Then the person say, so why you not start like Instagram? And I say, when you do that and him start go through the process with me and then start it and I say, you know, I kind of have the play with it and then somebody said to me, say, bro, I can't do YouTube because Instagram was 15 seconds at the time. And I say, YouTube that.
Why?
At that time,
why? Long time in about when they say 15 seconds, describe the struggle.
Right. Just imagine you don't know not about them things and a friend say, yo, YouTube. Maybe that sound like TV. I say, YouTube that. YouTube.
Why you make it sound like it really, really country, like it really, really country?
Super country. With me, anybody know me.
Yeah, you use Shimmy them time then?
Eh?
Shimmy outside bathroom?
Never, I don't use Shimmy them time.
Okay, that bad.
You know that bad, but I don't shame in my game, literally.
Literally.
No, my mother and father did.
I just want to make sure, but I say how far they not the country.
Oh no, you can't ask. My mother and father did make sure come up good.
Okay, nice.
Always cuss them say, I don't phone to pick them pick them foreign on the thing from things, but them just still try make them have a good life. For me, them should have even easy upon that too, because that make you kind of spoil. They didn't want to go out and know roughness in the world and bag things. You see me, so you
don't want to know for like for stay on roadside and I don't know food for eat for like 3 weeks.
No, not like
that.
Like if a man car broke down, if I go there right now, the only thing I know is that car. If I pull the H-O-O-D of the car,
you remind me of myself so much. I see him my customer period sometimes.
So me
close me up.
Yeah, them
I know forgot a bank. I went to my grow down, I figure out certain little things and
after I class 19, I know everything about being an adult. Yeah, so it's like I don't want to just know stuff. And then, as I say, I try this YouTube thing and they put up some videos. And I have some friend at first we did really, I say, yeah man, do it man. They make kind of coward but me, I say, I do it. I'm trying post a few videos, some little videos, you know, when you hold your phone upright, you have the little 2 black screen at the side.
Oh
so
you
know nothing about
boy, you know what the quality the 640.
640, so it's like everything they take a little time and then at one point me I say, but I say, yo G, like you say you want to reach TV. Because me as a man, I love analyze situation. I say, alright, you can't reach TV, what the next best thing? This thing come like something big, because I see a lot of people when they rate me, I say, alright, I'm going to try this. Then I start to get a little bit more serious. Start getting my friend them to help me do videos. That was a struggle at first. First time I have a little S5, breeze that blow me up on a whole big umbrella. I have socks I put on my phone, I go through so much. Not to mention
why them struggle
parents. My mother used to like start lock up the house at the daytime. Sometimes she has to watch her.
Because she don't want you to record there?
No, my mother said me I take the house and show the criminal and thief all over the place.
Oh yeah, same to my mother used to say too.
Stop the selfie sticking at the settee and turn it round and start, you know, and bag a thing. And my mother never really with it. She not really with it too much now, but she kind of understand now because...
They get a little money at one time?
Yeah.
Oh yeah man, them something kind of, you know, kind of ease them in. Alright.
Yeah, I mean, sometimes I explain to her and thing, but starting it rough and then I start saying, you know what? I like this and then about a few months I do videos and I have 186 subscribers and I said, wow, this not be like how it's supposed to come, it's supposed to be. I mean there and then I start learning say, yo, this is like research, this is like a 24/7 thing, research.
Yeah, some people don't overnight to just one video and others you really want steady grind, you really have to, especially being in Jamaica.
Yeah, look at me, I always hope so I not blow like same time. But I enjoy the work process. I don't know who might
I know what people love this, you know. I know what people like that because I tell you say the same thing. But I always use one story I say back in the day, well I really want to call it artists, but they have one group. And they have one group artists and the first person boss, you know, like when them start the group and the second person boss. And there was one of them where like when everybody else have them hit song, the one person still not find it yet. Sure. But you see when the person find for them it and them are the one who get the career like last longer than everybody. I mean I say sometimes because the things that when you learn along the way.
Yeah, that's what I find about life. You see, I don't like shortcuts, I don't like handouts, I don't like shout-outs, I don't like none of anything. So, if me get fit, go through it myself, I can handle it.
Yeah.
So as some get people pass on information to friends now, I go through it so I can tell them, yo, this is what happened. I love get hands on because for me, this is the only thing I really like in life right now. So, I want to know everything.
When did you realize that you actually absolutely like love YouTube? Because it hit me one day when I realized but the things say, because I used to say like, oh, I like a full video, I used to see it. And then one day it hit me, I'm say, yo, this is actually my 9 to 5, this is my job. Like when it hit you, say, yo, this is it.
Let me tell you when that slapped me. I was working at a center. I love that place because this is how I develop a lot of stuff. I sit down at daytime, I daydream, I just want lunchtime come because I have a video to edit. I shoot videos on like weekend, edit when I there work.
Yeah.
So I there work, I want to back up come to just start edit. And I say, yo, you know, me just like, me's a people's person. And when people come in, they enjoy themselves. And I say, yo, I just feel all this entertainment to them, but you know, I work today, so you can't be too, you know, you can't be too vibes. I say, yo, I just dance about this seat.
I feel like you have to restrict a whole lot of your personality.
Like
Yeah.
So I say, and then everybody used to come there be like, yo, like you're funny, and they're like, yo, like you just have vibes. And people come there, Mr. Whyte, we are doing? Yo, we are doing? And so many people, and a lot of them subscribe to me now because they did it from them time. I say, you know what? This is not it, you know. And then when we stop work there, I decide, you know what? Nah, no more 9 to 5, you know. But I try a few more times after, and then I say, yo, this is it. So I'm going to make this work. So I just start on the road and I decide to say, yo, 3 videos a week. Something have to change. I believe say, once you have something constant, something have to change. You can't post 3 years of video on YouTube and not get 10 subscribers. That's impossible.
I said to me, so I feel like the universe, I would just say you put out one positive energy and you really at work.
Positive energy. With me, I research. Because I'm not a dumb person, I research, I use my brain a lot. Probably that's why I'm so reserved with my reaction with certain stuff. Because if something I understand, maybe like, if something I'm all over run from here, so I'm probably be like, I'm doing the wise thing. I just try to scale up and try to run in a circle. My brain control everything the right way. I don't really make ears to control things.
That means that you're one of them person, people like a shout and stuff, you can just like be totally like just chill.
Of course.
Of
course. We have them like, when we ready for block off the world, yo, block. WhatsApp, block. Them block this. So, me just say, yo, you know what? This, I just love this. And I say, every time I put my mind to something pertaining to it, it just, like, every time I say I stop, something come up for me, I just be like, yo, if I want fun, like, one day I did them Jamaican and somebody come to me. Like, the person are like, what behind me the whole time I start get like, timid come here, I say, this is Jamaican.
Okay,
maybe that time Jamaican kind of, you know the reputation of Jamaican. So I say, why the person I want me down? Go in the store, the person follow me, I come out, the person follow me. The person stretch out and touch me and I say, yo, you know, I just want to say something to you. I mean, I will to me now because the person up me, my hand, you know, you look kind of, the person say, yo, you know what I'm saying? My mother passed away, my grandmother passed away last week, and you alone, but look at that smile this week. Yo, when the man say that, me I say, the whole day I walk on the man and say, yo, I just want to dash on YouTube, man. Nothing not going for me. Just this much. When the man say that, me I say, oh, you have to stop. Wow. Yo. Yeah, so we have to stop. So, and I get that a lot.
Yo, that crazy, you know, man.
I have fans who take me to the hospital and they sit down and watch my videos. So, I say, you can't. And my friend them where they boost me to say, bro, you just can't stop.
Because you realize it's no longer just all about you or other people. Because you find out, say like, yo, you might live your life, you know. Some people them not there in Jamaica, you know. So if you attack and even a show the different them say the reality in their background, or them hear your patois, or them just say some people don't have the little thing there, so you connect them back to yard.
And I always try to not try either. I be myself. So if I go through a pain, you know. If me vex about something, you know, I don't try to
play up on live and sitting like that. Me rough it.
Yeah man, with me can't deal with people who act on front of things. Like me, yo, if something have a bad day, yo, people may have a bad day. And as they say, we are human beings. We can't put it out there like we are robot and expect people to treat we not like robots.
That's the next thing we want to talk about, because you know everybody having a conversation now about like mental health and stuff like that.
Oh.
How you think this being a YouTuber? Because for a lot of people see you, because one of the things that really rough is that people see you in your videos them, and when they book you in a person, they want to see the exact same personality. So if right now you did just lose $50,000 and somebody come up, Raza, and you gonna there, so you're happy, and then I'm gonna say, yo, what you want to give it to them people are, and them not understand, say, yo, we got through the different things them are. What if video you take so long, and you probably are dealing with some shit that one here.
That's why when we just forward from me, I say, good to be authentic. Like, you know me, you know, say, yo, bro, me just there, and everybody say, yo, you just not. Your people be like, you just naturally, yo, you just there. I say, I'm just there, bro, I can't tell you like, just this and one, you know?
Yeah.
So, when people come to me that way, I say, yo, be honest. That's me, I find myself as a very honest person. I say, yo, you just look so like you're sad. I say, you know, I'm sad, but come here, man, we can chat about something else. I know how to change the gear and show up the vibe and make you feel good, because at the end of the day, I don't classify myself as an Instagrammer or a YouTuber, I say I'm an entertainer. An entertainer job for entertain. So when I'm not me go through hell, I'm gonna want to say just low.
You don't say have to turn on and say
remember your support of them there. At the end of the day, if you feel like you're dead and you support that, I say, yo, we are the man, what? Just find something, you change the gear and you just go, man.
The same type of energy that Will Smith have too. Like, all when him sad to him, I go, yeah, all when him sad, him say it now, I go, we are relatable way, yeah.
I tell my friend, them say, when me sad, you never see me. You never see me when me sad. Because you see me, when me sad, I go, I'm stay to myself. I not be like them people stay to themselves and think all type of crazy.
Yeah.
I have a brain where help me to function and control stuff, and I love my own brain. So
yeah,
it's like
computerized brain.
No, I lost a memory chip. But big one thing like, because I'm a me sad or I go through something, I go in and I say, alright then, these are the problem. What am I going to do? I no, in the bag of crying and, yo, me go there, yo, this can't. Me go home and sit down and say, alright then, these are the problem.
And figure out ways to find a
so
solution.
them things that kind of help we don't mad out. But you don't know mental illness is really.
Yeah.
It really like me have my stress days on YouTube, of course. Like you sit down and you see 100,000 subscribers, you almost touch it.
Yeah.
It breathes like a pass your face, you can't reach it.
Do you get affected sometimes by I guess a certain reaction? Because say you put out a certain video and put the heart and soul into it and you get a little bit of views, or you see some, or as a creator sometimes, you know, say it hard to look on somebody else's content and not start to think. Sometimes you watch somebody's content and you wonder how can I camera them use? Like to the point where you can't find the entertainment in it because you're so busy. I'm like, oh, this like we could do this better. Yeah, think
that happened to all of
you them little moments when you put out the effort and you realize that either the views them are certain things down and
when the views them when you like when we go hard on a video and I say bam, you know what, if YouTube will demonetize a video, you know what,
Jesus Christ,
and when me see that, like, you know, like, me used to be like, yo, this channel, but no, me just be like, me just put on phone and say, yo, that's why I am, and I start talking to myself and I do my crazy. I say, Steve, come in, we're going to drink. Yeah, man, people
okay, you have to separate yourself from your art sometimes, because sometimes you sit down and the whole time like, why not get this?
You know, like something happen to you, happen to somebody and somebody say, give him some water.
Yeah,
you know that feeling make you water make you calm down. Me just sit down and say, alright then, today, phone down, computer lock. You know, I just out and live my life, I go out and say, people, where are you deal with? Yeah, man, I'm mad thing. I'm just scream it out and they help me to deal with it. So, I don't know if that work for everybody, I don't know if it's crazy for anybody. But for me, it really works like when you can, like, you know, our body stay like a sponge, you know, sometimes we have to let go stuff. If you are soaking too much and all let go, if I be an island in your back, but
actually, I same thing.
you're virgin still, don't go there.
You've been spreading that life for months now.
3-4 years now.
Anybody in the comments that you can attest to RazaBlade right here, so just the way you
I
say
hope none of my exes watch this. I'm a virgin. I have been a virgin. I have always been a virgin.
Alright, so I want to hear from you though, like, what was the video for you that literally you say like put RazaBlade on the map? That video that like definitely like
alright. Remember what's
come and see I have some videos like 5.1 million views.
Yeah, my girlfriend.
Some
and you know that video did not put me on the map? To me, alright, when we did it on the verge of giving up.
Yeah.
Like 2 days before, when I sit down and me in front of the camera, and my record say, I'm going to stop. Because I did this time, you know what? I have to be honest with my people and make them know. So I stop instead of your people that text me and I say, yo, why you gone? So I couldn't deal with that. So I say, you know what, in order to avoid that, just let them know say you're done. So me in front of the camera, I talk like about 8 minutes and I just tell them say, yo, I enjoy the whole of this and I just really give up, honestly. And then the whole time I explain on the video, say, yo, don't you know, it's like every time I explain a part, I just remember something. Somebody say, yo, your video is funny. My virgin mother say, yo, watch your video. I say, even mother watch my video. My virgin mother watch my video. And it's like more things come on and I say, shoot, I can't give up. I fight it, I just want done because my mother say, you need to go look up this and that. But you just apply for your police test. I don't get to do the test so I know that I have to pass because I lied. So I didn't blow my area so I say, no, it's done. So by about the 10 minutes of the video, I don't remember so clearly, I just say, you know what people? Because I say, I know me is not a give up person, but sometimes you have to just call a spade a spade. But another time I say, you know what, you say, you can't do that to yourself, yo, you have to continue. And I say, you know what people, you know what I'm going to do? Turn on your notification bell, check me up, I'm going to start post more. Then I say, you know what, Raza, you don't say that in the video, post it. A lot of people did reach out to me. I think one YouTuber at the time he reached out to me, King Touch. And he say, yo, take it easy and I say, yo, John, I'm glad for this. When I lie down on my phone tonight, I just feel like I just want to cry. That's the only night since YouTube I want to cry. I say, yo, don't I just, like you fight yourself so you don't, you fight yourself so you can't do because you know this is yours.
Yeah.
I say, yo, can't bother throw my phone off of the bed. I just
you're dramatic bad though.
No, I know. You see me, if I let loose, I just let loose.
Yeah,
but that night I just say, you know what? loud this and this a man we even angry and me still a laugh.
Yeah,
so it's
yeah,
like, loud this a man, I say, oh, this
to
a
the point
thing.
that sometimes your friend don't realize that you really have gone through something kind of
a lot of times.
Yeah.
When me tell him, say, yo bro, like, me for real, me don't feel well. No, you don't feel well. Me I say, bro, me a dead. And they be like, yeah, you just funny, me just loud them sometimes. But it's like, me I say, shit. Then me say, you know what? You know what you have to do reason? I think that was the night when we developed a strategy when me called Above and Beyond. You see, if you as a creator say, you know, I'm afraid to do that video, I just want to hear you say that once, you know. Because I tell myself, say,
you're daring.
I tell myself, say, I see people who are funnier than me. I see people who can act better than me.
Yes.
I see people who do a lot of stuff, but you see me, you will never beat me on the bravery. So I tell myself, say, me have a determination where even if you feel like you're the funniest,
set you apart from everybody else.
Still set me apart because if you feel like you're a joke, I'm going to go make some joke, I'm going to write them, I'm going to study them, I'm going to always ask so many things. I really go extreme when I'm going to art. Because I say, you know what, you're done funnier than me, you know, G. So, you know what I got now? One whole night of bleaching for some comedy. And like, I just so me have that discipline, I have that determination. So, I think that night they come up with the Above and Beyond and I say, you know what? I'm going to make a video where if this video don't go viral, I'm going to stop. And make me really serious.
Yeah.
I shall not drop a video. I don't want to talk about the part, but I talk about
but the equal, right?
Yeah, I shall not drop about song and everybody be like, yo, and me have this one friend said, dog, you never jump on no trends. Every time trend, because he's a man, I love the original.
Yeah,
so me I say,
sometimes forget that, you know. That
yeah. We know that as a YouTuber, so now you have to jump on trend. But me I say, no, this and then the thing did even go on for like a week and I'm like, so know this and the trend have go out. And me I say, yo, the equal rights or something I'm going to farm and then me make a clickbaitish video. That video there, no for my friend them know that, but I see that video there, I didn't rate it, but I check out the video and it's funny, lucky you know you were that, I subscribe and make a clickbaitish video and the video kind of did funny, but to me it wasn't really funny, it was just a clickbaitish video.
Close eyes.
But you say lot them, yeah? Long time. Yeah man, just take your time. No? But it went viral, it went too untrending.
Oh wow.
So the only person who stopped me from going #1 when Alkaline dropped the After All video and it was so controversial.
If I not me eat more than well, it's not that you did it. And you go and then you see yourself on trending and then one artist drop a new song. Yo, and just like
yo,
why?
I can't forget that viral lady. Yo, I have the video for post from about 2. I'm going to post it about to 4. For about 20 minutes, I walk up and down on the veranda and I say, yo, you know when you post this, people are going to deal with that way. I say, yo, I'm going to post this too. You know, so when they post this, you can't want it, but I'm going to post this. So I saw me a 5 minutes back and front and put it on public in my creators studio, I take it out. I said, no man, I have the nerves on them. I go so post it and put on my phone. Sit down for about 3 minutes, I don't hear nothing. So okay, then this is a flap, then I hear brr, brr, and then my phone start go off. I go and take up the phone and I look. I say, dog, you loose, and from I say that I put on my phone and I say, alright. With the determination to the bravery, one thing I have, humility. There's nothing you can tell me. If I don't want to lose my cool, you can't allow me to lose my cool. You can't tell me say you're black and ugly and make me feel away because me know how me stay. You can't tell me my reality.
Yeah.
So when somebody say, yo, you lose that way, but yo, me burn you up for that, me just easy. I'm say, you know what? At the time I didn't understand, say viral not always means say the best or the funniest video. Viral means anything where I share around and with me say, okay then, if it start go around,
you have to
viral.
manipulate the system, you have to
exactly.
manipulate the system.
When we say everybody, and those were people who used to beg say watch my channel and them first started to me. So I say, okay, the phone go off about an hour straight. When I look, I don't answer, nobody texts. Nobody texts me no answer. Put it down the day after. I not even go up on YouTube. So I say, you know what, just hold the fear. 2 days after, phone start go off again. So I check message now. Who no start delete message, start say, yo dog you bright, like man just I say dog, me burn you out in front to them, I go block you. Other text come in, dog you're trending. But they about 20 trending, I say, trending, check it over the 20. I say, oh this is the first time I trend. I say, okay then. Let me see you take a little time and go. I say, okay then. Then everybody started me, I said, dog, as much as that video they set away dog, yeah, trend dog getting out there. I said, okay. I still go on 2 trending. I start just, like I see my friend them and them yo dog you trend, I say, yeah man, I'm trending dog, and be like, I know them I eat them already because them just don't bother me.
When you realize all of that now, because I was just saying that like YouTube is a thing where you're going to teach about you by yourself, you're going to teach about your family, you're going to teach about your friends and your circle. Because as me I say, like you will realize that Jamaica our space where people don't really think and them not understand the art. So you will get up in there and see one video and say, yo, I'm going to do this and I'm going to pretend to say I want dog for some reason. and then you literally tap into say, yo, me go acting at this time, you go just go on and back, and somebody will like, yo, idiot boy, and yo, you waste and them never understand, say, yo, me act, me do something for the creativity of it, them limited.
You know what help me with that? You know what help me not to be like that? Me not judgmental. It no matter where you come from, where you do. Like with me, even with your videos, enough videos me put up just a title. Me just bored and film up a title and people be like, before the video start, the video is 15 minutes long. Yo, me can't believe you do that.
Yeah.
With me,
like the toast of one.
If you, oh God, if you put out a video like that, me not gonna be like, yo, baby, me and watch that till it done because I have to have proof. Me not like people that deal with proof. I have to see the proof. And with me no judgmental. And if you do it and it's like, me not gonna, you see with me, before me never negative comment, me just not comment. So it's not like me gonna even bother you either. So people judgmental, a lot of my video people be like, yo, this and that, but with me, as a YouTuber, I understand, say, you get the click, you get the watch time, you watch my video, you leave a comment, that help my channel. So if you have bun me out on my video, and you leave a million comments and like, you know, full video, you push out to the world. So that's why I say this, so my humility comes in, me humble. I can take pressure. So no matter what you say, we can take the pressure because, like somebody said this for me about like 3 years ago, I'm really say that's a mistake. Me see a result in something, no matter what will happen, what me know say, you know, beyond my morals, and decide to me go feed, you can't change me. If, like even the video on the road,
that's somebody want to
bring up tell somebody about it and I might say don't tell him the entirety of the video because somebody will say to you say dog, you know.
I'm getting in your brain and sometimes and
I say you can't get in my brain. So you know what now? I sit down and I think about the game plan. I say you know what? I want a viral video from this video. I know what I'm going to do. You see, since I have say people please share this, I'm going to show you how smart me be. I'm going to make people share me.
Without it even affair.
And that was exactly what I sit down and I talk to me. I say, I'm going to make people share me. And this is going to be so easy because we know how the world run. Thank God for people like that. Because everybody wants to make the status cover. Everybody wants to be the one that people say, send. So I say, you know what? Which part else we go than downtown? Because downtown, I love the market people in downtown, them dramatic. I love dramatic people. I know
very
the type of
expressive,
people. Them are going to be. Yeah, them are going to be verbal with their judgment. Some people create excitement. You know the funny thing? Even before I start the video, I walk past a few people like about from there to here. And I talk about the video. The person they want to look on. I have the rope, I fling around my neck and I show the girl. And the person look around and see me and did that. You think I say, yo, the boy that joke and they turn back around. And when I start the video, I just say, just walk. And the girl start walk. The same people, them jump up and start to go on the phone. Now what this? And so I say, didn't you even see the whole thing before? But we know how people think.
We like to be a part of, especially Jamaica, we like to be a part of something where we say already are going and somewhere where
the whole fact say, we know say people are going to be like upload pan status. Remember, you know, I say I want a trending or a viral video. How is it going to trend in our viral without people talk about you?
You have to kind of create some shock factor sometimes.
So I say, you know what, I can't bear this. People are going to say, girl clown this and that, but me know my levels already. You can't tell me say, I'm a girl clown to make me feel away. So that's the thing, you know, I'm not insecure. I know.
And that's when I think you find out, say, a lot of people in Jamaica would think that they're actually brave.
Them not brave.
They don't ever brave.
I see a lot of time, I'm not going to say nothing about it, but I see a lot of time. Them not brave. Them don't know what bravery is. A man must can say, yo, you're this and that, and be like, cool. And a lot of people do me that, and be like, oh, I'm mad thinking, and they be like, it's like it throw them out. So I know, like, my brain way far than yours, so you can't come to me like so.
Where do you plan to take RazaBlade TV to? Like, you know, looking forward to the future?
With me, I really believe in going another step. I started comedy sketches. We do some public interviews.
You've done a lot of different type of content.
Yes, because this is the thing, and the thing they say I'm alive when they did it. I say, you know what? Everybody low-key want to be the greatest at what they do. And if you're not saying that to yourself, you don't really want to be great. But I tell myself, say, in order for me to be my greatest version of myself, because me don't compete with nobody. No matter how your views, I don't compete with them. I compete with the man when I look at in the mirror. That I tell myself. So I have guidelines on you. Yes, me is a very disciplined person. So I say, you know what? Take it as a step. If you want to be the greatest, Raza, you know you have a bag man in your league already. I say, this is a man of the king feet. Because you know we say the king feet and this and that. I say, you know what? You know what you have to do? You have to do everything. So you have to do comedy sketches, you have to do prank videos, me do series, me do short films, me do full movie, me do social experiment, me do prank, me do every single thing. I think I said to one of my subscribers, you know, I'm going to do a cooking video, I can't cook, I'm going to do it though, because guess what? When you don't do that, everybody going to say, yo, you are the greatest cause why you do everything. So I say that's my strategy. I don't know who else that I going to work for, if it's not going to work out, but I want to see how far it take, because I say, you know what, in a video production world, Will Smith did that do Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. I like a comedy thing.
He do
movies, he do music, him do him own movies.
Yeah.
Him have a YouTube channel. The man do everything. So you see,
Him don't limit himself.
don't limit yourself. Because with me, I never find myself with too much things that I really say me excellent at. I'm good at them, but I'm not excellent. So I say, you know what? This me feel like me can read, and sometimes people get bored at it. So I be like, you know what? I don't feel my comedy sketches no more. Alright, run some pranks and then start the social experiments. And I say, yo, I love talking with people and get a reaction. I love the vibe of it. I say, you know what? Let's do this.
Love feel the energy of people.
Love
like
it.
It's some way you can't even describe. It's
It
just
does.
some way you feed off of.
If
the
you
adrenaline
feed off it, and it's like, I love be like, make you be like, yo, you know, I say, yeah, that's a good, that's a good. I mean, I love it. I love the interaction. Like, that's my strongest point, the interactions. And I say, you know what? I go with this until I feel a little bit bored again and I just kick a different gear.
Do you feel sometimes left out of the conversations when people talk about YouTube as our social media creators that are in the space?
You know, funny enough, I think my mindset allow me not to feel left out. And I tell you why. I mean, the reason I'm a little virgin and I say, but when I feel no way if you don't see yourself in a certain interview, you know, but this is why. From me just start, I tell one of my mentors at the time, say, yo, uncle, me I go reach the top, you know.
Yeah.
Me I go reach the top and like, nobody can stop me from reach the top. You understand? So, the man I say, raise me see, because I just do a little skit in the church. We did that church one night and we do a little skit. And I say, yo, uncle, me I reach the top, but here and now, I notice say, Jamaicans justify and gratify by you being on interviews and all that. I say, alright then, since that be the case, I now run down that, I put in a good word first.
Yeah.
And then I say, you know what? I want my thing be a way where you go. Like, alright, I tell that thing. When I just start the videos, everybody said you can't have a YouTube channel in Jamaica. Before, a lot of people say that.
Yeah.
People
I
say
used to hear that, yeah.
Then when we start, people say, you can't have a YouTube channel and you're Clarendon because you know that tone of the day. When I say, uno in there, tone of the day. So I say, okay then. I love defy the ads. I say, okay then, tone of the day. Now start your mapping. Yo, you can't get views on mapping. You start get views on mapping. So I say, alright then, I always have to live from weird country and I never used to tone like that. So by me reach, I have to go back. So a video I shoot for, I have to run go back down because I don't want to night catch me and this and that. So I say, alright, I go put in enough work we make. The man in my tone, I'm going to be like, Razor. Wow, go on.
Yeah.
And then I start come up often and like, when I up for 2 weeks now, people be like, yo, when you cut that, come away from me. I say, oh. So yes, it's hard work really can give you what you want. And in terms of interview, I say, you know what? Since I tried the rope thing and it sent me viral somewhere, the same strategy can make a person be like, yo, we need to interview that guy, I can't. So about him. So I just believe in the work, I believe in the whole process, I believe in trusting yourself, do what you want to do, and just do it. So if you don't feel no way by me left out now, because I say, low key, sooner or later, somebody have to do it. And if you don't go like the way then, you know, if like, say for example, a few people don't interview, cool. If your fans them be like, yo, this a man, oh God, in video them, like when you hear the people them talk, you have people to cover yourself.
So they focus on the love where
you
actually
focus on the love, you don't be like, if you
yeah.
lean on the negative too much, it broke your neck. You see me, so you have to be like, you know what, even this, me I tell people say, it's a state of mind, you know. When we get that 2 dislikes, we say, why somebody dislike my video? But at
especially
the same time,
dislike it after like 2 seconds and nobody never watch a video good yet.
But look on this, a state of mind, if we get 50 dislikes and we get 1,000 likes on a video, why me bro, you got 1,000 people like what you do. Why you somebody just learn says a state of mind. So we know people are gonna dislike my video. We know, like if me ever post a video dislike before.
You just know before you even post.
Somebody just deal with it and but a state of mind again. Because me say the whole fact is you subscribe to me if you dislike my video, yeah, watch me.
Yeah.
I just intelligent, so I don't really feel no way. A state of mind.
I mean, just did pick my brain for like kind of ask a question because I've been on YouTube for a long time, and so for me like YouTube is something I'm passionate about. Like, I care about it, I love the community. Because you know it's not when you tell people about YouTube and they never know and know they're on the road
because of YouTube.
No, they're on the road and you still like a pitney and ramp outside and they talk about, hi guys, welcome to my channel, and I pretend and I say, yo, this is so different from how things are said.
So I say, Razor, look at you, it's me, I say, Razor, I come on my channel, we have a collaboration. I say, look at the little man at the board.
And them know the little stuff them about subscribe and I'm going to do this and
I say, yo, my friend don't want to subscribe. How am I get them to subscribe? I say, look on the look up. Yo, I want to say, yo, look on my son.
Yeah. Them something make you really feel good and so.
But glad say in Jamaica now people start like take time and gravitate to it. That make it look harder now doing it, but nothing wrong. People start be like, yo, YouTube is an actual thing. So people like you kind of pave the way for that, you know. Because you are doing it, other people are doing it. Like we could have been like, yo, it can be done.
Oh my God! Wow!
Alright, so me go play a little game, and basically I'm going to mention an influencer, since you love to give that advice. And you basically are going to tell me an advice that you would give them, or an advice where you give them already. Ready?
Hopefully I don't know them.
Alright, I have money.
Sometimes try to take a thumbnail picture or focus to get that before your video finish.
Alright, Nitro.
Just continue to do your video them, and if you start feel like you want something new, research.
Duttyberry.
Barry, we don't have no advice to give Barry.
Oh, there's advice, there's no advice. I can't find an advice.
What me gonna tell you?
Look, you must can't give me advice.
Barry,
Come on, man.
basically I do everything I probably ever do. What me gonna tell you? I don't know.
Why?
I think, I try to find something for you there.
That's correct. I don't think I'm focus on thumbnail, and I don't think me as daring for the rope something. Because I say, yo, sometimes.
Oh, so you want me to be more brave?
Be brave, you could have tell me that, yeah.
You want me more brave?
Yeah, I'm going to our sister. Fuck yeah, sister. Yeah.
So if you want to be more brave, try to get company when you are there.
Oh, okay, alright, fair enough. RazaBlade.
Believe in yourself more and stop play hard by yourself and doubt yourself so much.
Oh, wow.
Straightforward, that me tell myself that every day I'm just not stop. Me do it and me do a video and people say, yo, this is a hit. And I say, can't do better. And me be like, yo, I need to celebrate more. I get 100K, I not jump one time.
You need, because I think you're too,
you know,
sometimes people humble to a fault. Like you're humble to the fault where it's just like, and you know, you don't want a time to reach, because just like me, when me used to don't celebrate birthdays, and like the whole time I get myself to understand, say, yo, you actually survive a year and people pass, you know, like you need to celebrate it.
Probably the only thing when I go jump on me aesthetic, most me do. That's hard.
Yeah, move from the little thing to know. So here's a point now, this is a point where you're going to look right into the camera now, and you're going to just speak to people about why YouTube is important to you. What kind of advice you give like the younger creators them who, you know, they want to jump into the YouTube space but they're probably hesitant. Just start today.
YouTube are one of the best ways to showcase a talent to the world. You're not have to pay if you go up on YouTube, and have to wait to get that interview if you go up on YouTube, you can put your talent out to the world. Majority of the time people are going to force them fears for you. People are going to say you can't do it, but low-key, them afraid to do it, so basically you can't do it. If you want to do some type of video you don't know to start, watch people who do the video. Them. Ask them people this, I'm surprised, like, they must say, oh, that we should do, like, watch people do it. You learn from it, and then if you can apply your style to make it better, like, apply all of the great stuff. If you want to learn how to be brave and do a prank, watch money, just watch and take what you can take.
Yeah.
You understand? So, and believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. Like, I know that kind of cliche, but really and truly, because if you sit down in front of the camera, some people cannot do it. It's like, if you just sit there, then cannot do it. Just believe in yourself. And with me sit down and make up my mind to it, never do it. So if you sit down and just go through it mentally first, think about what can happen, think about the negatives, think about the positives, and say, yo, alright, is the result worth it?
Yeah.
Because even the rope video, I say, yo, I know I can get stabbed today or robbed today or something. But if I pull this off, I know what will happen. I know I'm going to be viral whether I did make it out good or not. You know? So, apply the strategy we use above and beyond. Don't make it kill you, but try go above. If you know you have a friend with funny, you have to try to be funny. You have to try to do something big.
Yeah.
If you're a friend and you're on a friendly rivalry, then you might edit 3, 4, 5 nights a week. You know you have to edit the whole week. And just that, you have to learn to work.
Keep up the pace.
You have to work by yourself. I know you have a feel burn out, but just, if it depends how bad you want it. That does that for me. If you don't want it enough, okay, then stay home, edit once a week, not do the research because you don't want it. But if you really want it, you have to be willing to show yourself, say yo, and show others, say, want it.
And that is facts. Alright, so that is it for my interview with RazaBlade TV with him. 100K subscribers and beer things. What else your heart need to heart say?
Moving me up on TV!
Hi, Mummy. And
Mummy need to see that part.
I really appreciate like Sunday dinner. So if you can just send me a nice little something at Sunday dinner, I'd really appreciate it. This has been a good conversation. I kind of like say you're there if I realize that we have a whole heap of things in like common just in terms of how your creativity work and how you sit down and you analyze things, and we just hope some more people, you know, like head over to him channel and support the brother. And right at this time, you know, before we cut, just plug your social media handles in.
Jason Whyte, that is Jason RazaWhyte for Snapchat, Instagram and Twitter. And Facebook, you don't know. Yeah, I want Twitter, but I just want some Twitter friend now. My Twitter link.
Yeah, you have to have a click on Twitter for really.
Yeah, so you can follow me on Instagram and Snapchat and Facebook. I post a lot of funny quotes on Facebook. And
are you open to business if people want to promote or something like that, or work and stuff? Are you open to stuff like that?
You know, me always try to run from them stuff there, but I need to get out there. So that's one next thing we need.
You should.
I should be out there. So open to business.
And if you say like for bookings, for hosts, you have whole heap of high school, primary school, so you have the whole heap of things where they somebody want to come and say, yo, advertise my new back juice line.
No problem. Like I always say, if me go do a movie and somebody say you're gonna sweep the floor for the movie, I go do it because we determine I want somewhere. It fit in. It's a part of it. So yeah.
Alright, peace out. That's it for the interview. I'd walk up there, but I'm kind of tired right now because we've been talking for about an hour. Jesus Christ, RazaBlade. Peace out, people. Until the next time. You never know who I might be interviewing. Let me know which creator you'd like for me to talk to next.
Max, come on.
Oh, wow, that man's so sick. Like, I'm good at a club. A nitro club.